What's up, everyone? Well, you guys have been wanting to have a lowered vehicle at Akins lot. Well, we have delivered. Not only that, everybody's been asking for four-wheel drives that are lowered, so we delivered on that as well. What you see here is an IHC 3.5 drop kit. It comes with, also included with this setup, it has load leveler helping bags on the rear. So you get the lowered stance, but you can maintain your towing capabilities with this particular truck. Also did an MBRP side exit exhaust system, 22-inch dub flex wheels, and the Falcon STZ05 tires. This is a clean setup. And always here at Akins we do the Lumar window tint and the Lumar paint protection. Very clean setup. Yes, it is four-wheel drive. Yes, it is lower, and that is what everybody's been wanting nowadays. So we delivered here at Willies.